Topic 23. My favorite game. My favorite game is football because it is fun, active, and exciting. I like playing football with my friends after school and on the weekend. It is a game that makes me feel happy and full of energy. Every time I play football, I feel very excited. We usually play in a field near my house or at school. We divide into two teams and start the game. I enjoy running, kicking the ball, and trying to score goals. When my team scores, we feel very proud and celebrate together. Football is not only about winning, it is also about teamwork. I learn how to work with my friends and support each other. We pass the ball, help each other, and try our best as a team. This teaches me how to cooperate and communicate well. Playing football is also very good for my health. It helps me exercise, stay strong, and keep my body active. I feel fresh and relaxed after playing. It also helps reduce stress after studying. Sometimes I watch football matches on TV or online. I enjoy watching professional players and learning new skills from them. I try to practice these skills when I play with my friends. In addition, playing games helps me make new friends. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our time together. It is a great way to build strong friendships. In the future, I want to become a better football player. I will continue to practice and improve my skills every day. My favorite game always brings me happiness, health, and good memories.